Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today you can see I have a pretty large package here. I had some issues earlier this month with Sephora and my Look Fantastic, so they both sent me out replacement items, which I have in the box here. And my Ipsy came in finally, as well as my replacement Ipsy for one of the items that they were missing back in June. And it got lost, so then they sent me out a new replacement. So all of it came almost all in one day. It was, I think, 2 days. So anyway, I'll go through the box, and I was going to give my first impressions of everything now that I got the final right box plus my Ipsy unboxing with 3 add-ons. Just so you know, Look Fantastic is, I believe, $22 a month. If you do sign up, it's you can do 6 months, which is like $20.50 a month, but they take it out per month rather than all at once. Ipsy is $10 American, and $15, $5 to ship to Canada, so it comes to about just under $20 Canadian, just a little over depending on the exchange rate. Before I do get into that, I did want to show, I don't know if you can see, I did use the Butter London palette. I am so pleased with it. There was some chalkiness to it, so I did have to make sure I got it off on my brush. And you'll have to ignore, I kind of just dyed my hair. It's still kind of wet. I'm doing this on a Saturday afternoon while my daughter is sleeping. We've had a very busy week. I've had the week off, so I haven't been on top of my videos like I wanted to be. But I don't know if you can see, I did put the green eyeliner on. I do like this look. I'm actually kind of excited to use it again. We'll see how at the end of the day how the Butter London goes. But I kind of want to do my Ipsy unbagging. I did quickly open it up, check it out, just to make sure everything was in there. And oddly enough, they put almost everything in the bag this time. So this is July's bag. It's kind of cute. It's textured. I do kind of like it. I didn't know if I would like it when I first looked at it, but I do. I believe actually this was one of the add-ons. This was $3. I do like the coffee scrubs, and you only have to use a little bit, so it goes a long way. I have the coconut one that they accidentally sent me, and it's fantastic. So the first item I am going to pull out is the Yensa Skin on Sin BC Foundation, BB plus CC equals BC, I guess. Full coverage foundation plus 8 super blacks, essence plus SPF 40. In this kind of weather, that's absolutely amazing. Now this was one of my point perks. I did cash in some points for it. So I did get, I believe, medium to medium, or light to medium. Most of these don't actually fare well on me, but I thought I would try it. And oh my, that's actually just a little, you can't even see it, I wonder. Ooh, so I will be trying that for the next one. I do like that it's like a little bit of everything, plus sunscreen. I am big on sunscreen. So the next item I see is my Firma brush. Actually, just used it. I love these brushes. I find that they're heavy duty. I think this is like the 3rd one I got. I really like it. So I'm excited to use that. Just to also say, I did try out these brushes. I didn't mind them as much as I thought they would. I heard some mixed reviews on them. So anyway, I made a mess of my little thing here. So then I just dropped everything down the side of me. So does this have, oh, it does have the items I'm supposed to be getting. Awesome. So I can read that if I need to. So the next thing is an add-on, and I'm actually really excited to try this. Actually, I probably will go peel this makeup off me in a bit. It's too hot to be wearing it here. And today is my brother's birthday, so he'll be coming over, so maybe after he leaves, or maybe even while he's here, I might just put this on. It came with a little spoon. This is a single-use overnight mask with moisturizing and skin-fighting effects from real egg ingredients. In as little as 20 minutes, it leaves your skin hydrated, firm, help skin appear more visibly radiant and glow. Oh, that is neat. Oh, there is two. I thought it was two, but it says it's a single egg pack, but it's actually two. Look how cute that is. And it comes with a little spoon. Okay, if you guys aren't already on my my Instagram, it is below, I believe. If not, I'll put it there. Go check it out. I'm gonna put a review on this on there once I use it. It's super cute. I really like that. I mean, this gets like an A+ for packaging. It is a lot of plastic, so maybe they can figure out how to make that like a biodegradable plastic. That'd be awesome. But I do like that. I am super excited about that. Like, so the next thing I have is Glam Glow's Glam Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I do have this somewhere. I'm pretty sure I have 2 or 3 of these. So I will probably try and use that tomorrow with that. I just squirted a lot of it. But oh, that's kind of nice. It gives you a real good glow. I don't need that much, mind you, but it kind of just came out. So that's nice. That's a part of my regular box. So I'm gonna put that there. Those are 2 add-ons. So the next item I see is Smashbox. I believe this is Babe Alert. I do have some the balm. I believe it's the balm stick, which is kind of. Where did it go? I had it out here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, the balm jour. I got that in an Ipsy. I really actually like it. It kind of makes my lips like a cherry. Oh, you have to ignore. I am sweating so bad. Ugh. I wonder. I only have this big, huge mirror. But it'll work. And just for you, Lisa, I got that on my tooth. How did I do that? That was for you. When you're watching this, enjoy the laugh. Oh, by the way, Lisa has a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'll try and post the link at the end of the video. And I'm not, why am I doing that? I don't know. Anyway, it'll be there. Click on it, go to the video, like it, comment it, tag 3 friends on our Instagram. I have it totally wrong this time. Anyway, just go do what she says. And you can win. And if you win, you gotta share with me. No, I'm joking. That is really nice, actually. I don't think it did a whole lot, but I do like it. It kind of sweating. Okay. So the next item I see is Phase Zero Making Moves. Want no fuss makeup to use every day? This brand has you covered with versatile on-trend products like this smooth, buildable blush. Making Moves is a coral color with a golden sheen from subtly sheared to dramatic, layered on for a look as bold as your move. Swirl a fluffy brush into Making Moves and top off any excess. Smile big. See the apples of your cheeks, blush them into circular motions. I am absolutely addicted to Tarte's blushes. Like, ooh, that is actually super pretty. Oh, let's go for this one. Ooh. That is super pretty, actually. You know, it's weird putting blush on that side, but I like to feel a little normal. That is, I like that. I have to admit, I thought I was going to be a little disappointed. So this would be my travel one instead of taking the big one with me. Okay, so the next 2 items I have, one is part of my bag and one was my 3rd add-on. So these are What the Tea, Iced Tea Eyeshadow with Mini Cool Shade. It's infused with hibiscus. Okay, so this is the rundown, and he said, she said. Ooh, those are actually really, really pretty. I kind of like there is no mirror. I've got too many small products that have mirrors in them. So, let's see here. Ooh. Oh, those are super pretty. Do you see that? Can't really, you can see. Don't mind. This is why I don't wear makeup on super hot days. So, let's see if I can do this better. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. And I think that's the blush. That's the blush. Ooh, those are super, super pretty. I am excited to use those. Those will stay out on my desk. And there's some stuff that needs to be put away. I'm not even going to show you the desk beside me. I need to bring down makeup cleaner. Ooh. Okay, so let's see here. Let's just go through a quick through of the Look Fantastic. This box isn't marked up. I'm super excited about that. It comes with a magazine that hasn't been soiled. Although, hold on. What? Do I feel something in there? There's no way. There's no way. It felt really thick in some of these pages. I wonder why. Just me being silly, I guess. Okay, so fast forward through that, you can get 50% off of this. You want those codes, there they are. Take them, I can't use them. If you want them, you can also message me and I can send them to you. So sneak peek for next month. All about hyaluronic acid, which I use, glowy skin. Let's see, fight hydration. Of course, right now I don't need it. Now I did notice when I did open this up beforehand because I wanted to see if things were as they were supposed to be, because I did not want to open up another damaged product while doing the video. So for some reason they must have opened this, which is great because they can see if my thing was broken, which ta-da, it isn't. And actually I have the broken cap right here, so you can tell that didn't happen in transit. Where is my, there it is, there we go. See, there's no way that was broke beforehand. So I have this now. I am super excited to use it. Right now I've been using the Nivea stuff and I love it. I actually use the micellar water in the morning. I don't have enough time to properly wash my face some mornings, so I take that and I do a couple passes. I put on my actually right now I'm using the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid, and then I put on a moisturizer and some SPF. Even though I do work in a factory, I walk there and I walk back. I am going to kind of steal some SPF and put it in my locker, so when I go to leave I can put it on. I know, you want to know all about this, don't you, right? Okay, so that doesn't have an overwhelming, powerful smell coming out of the bottle. Either that or my nose is finally plugged up again. Before I left work, my nose was really super sensitive. So here's the cloth. Now I do have the other one sitting down here now. I think what I might do is just give it a good wash. Oh, I got a blue one this time. Woo! So these are supposed to be used without cleansers, and it's supposed to take off your makeup. I've had one before. The only thing is that I find that if I don't use a cleanser, you're supposed to use a cleanser to wash this afterwards, and I felt, what was the sense? And I never could get it clean. So it does have a glove magnet cleaner or with a bars soap. So I will try that because I do have a couple bars of like Dove soap upstairs. And then it says to allow it to dry. So I guess I will try that out. So I do have the eye gold here. So I'm actually excited to try this. I might actually try this tonight with the egg. Again, you got the LMS. I am not going to use this. I am actually going to put this in a giveaway. And then, of course, the aromatherapy Revive Body Gel, which I'm going to maybe try sometime tonight and tomorrow night, because I have to go back to work, and I find that I get really stressed out when thinking about work. So, other item I see I got. Now, remember at this from Sephora, I did pay. I did buy it. I was on sale, so I was super excited to try it, and super disappointed that they made me set back the other set. But they expressed this to me. I got it on Friday. Today, no, did I get it Friday? I got it. Yes, I got it Friday. And look it. It's full. It didn't leak. And I just dropped that. But I have this, so it didn't break. I'm sorry if this is my bed. Oops. Okay, so let's try this. I want to try this. So see, that did not, it's not coming off. So sorry, I put on way too much there. So I'm gonna smell like this. I just actually use it. Really, I'm eating it. It smells absolutely delicious. Although it is weird that there is 2 caps. I'm gonna be using this definitely because I find that the body sprays don't last. It's a body fragrance mist, and I find that I deal with them a lot better than I do perfumes and colognes and stuff like that. So I'm going to be using that because I work in a hot clean factory. I'm going to try this. I am so super excited for my hands to smell like popcorn for the rest of the day. Put this back on. That is super moisturizing, super. Oh, I'm gonna smell this popcorn. Oh, I'm gonna smell this popcorn. And then I will be keeping this. I will be using this at some point, but not right away because I just opened up the other one. So you can see it's a different, actually a different formula than the original. Now I do have all 3 flavors. I am obsessed with this stuff. Obsessed. So as you can see, this is different. I will be using that. So I tend to get, look at that. I made a mess. Of course I did. So that's, this is the thicker cream. I don't know if you can see a thicker cream, and this is like more of a thin water based. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, you know what? I needed some extra moisturizer because, you know, it is summer and it's hot and we've got the air conditioner on. And you're watching me rub stuff on me. I hope you enjoyed that because, you know, I did. Anyway, then they also forgot my sample of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, which I should have used, but I didn't. They also sent me a Bare Minerals Bare Pro, which was really awesome of them. So I'll try those out. And now these were the replacements from Ipsy. I will definitely be using these as well as my daughter. She's got really thin hair, and it seems like every time I turn around, it's messed up. So anyway, that is the end of my haul. I thank you so much for watching and paying attention and cheering me on and supporting me. I'm also going to pop up Lisa's information so you can go join her quest for 1,000 subscribers. share with your friends if you could this video, like and comment if you would like. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, what you would like to see, what you wouldn't like to see, and just let me know. Thanks for watching and stay cool.